Welcome back to Mr. Money Phone. My name's Ryan, and today I'll be showing you how to change brightness and use auto brightness with your iPhone 13 Pro. To quickly change brightness, swipe down and you can change the brightness. You can also go to your settings, go down to accessibility, go to display and text size, and at the bottom you can find auto brightness. Be aware that auto brightness may affect the battery life of your phone. And that is how to change the brightness on the iPhone 13 Pro.